Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place to figure out how to build wealth from young. Today I am super excited because we're talking about student credit cards. Yes, we're talking about the best credit cards for beginners or students. If you're a student and you have pretty poor credit, don't worry. I actually made a video called Best Secured Credit Cards, and I want you to go watch that video. You can click right up here, watch it all the way through, and then find the credit card that is best for you. And then you can return here to look at credit cards that you'll be able to get in the future. If you're a student with absolutely no credit or limited credit history, or you're a student who plans to travel or study abroad, or you're an international student, then this video is for you. So let's get to the video. The first credit card I want to talk about is the Bank of America Travel Rewards Credit Cards for students. This credit card is the best credit card if you are a student who is planning to study abroad or travel abroad. And here's why. The pros of this credit card is that there's no annual fee. Also, it has a sign-up bonus. You're able to receive 25,000 points that is redeemable into a $250 credit towards any sort of travel purchase. And you're able to get this sign-up bonus if you spend $1,000 within the first 90 days of opening your account. Additionally, this card has some pretty interesting rewards. You're able to receive 3 points for every dollar spent at the Bank of America Travel Center. And you're also able to receive 1.5 points for every dollar spent on everyday purchases. This credit card also has a 0% foreign transaction fee. The cons of this card for me are, while it does offer a 0% purchase intro APR special for 12 months, it doesn't give any sort of intro balance transfer special, and other cards do. Now, before I get to the second card, I just want to ask, if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help push out this channel to more viewers. The next credit card I'm going to talk about is the DeserveEDU MasterCard. This is the best student credit card for international students because you don't need a social security number. You just need basic documentation such as a copy of your student visa, your I-20 form, and a passport, and also a proof of a US bank account. Some pros of this card is there's absolutely no annual fees and no foreign transaction fees. It also offers some pretty cool rewards. You're able to get 1% cash back on every single purchase, and you're also able to get cell phone protection. If you use this card to pay for your monthly cell phone bill, you'll be able to receive up to $600 in protection for your cell phone, protection from theft and damage. Also, there's absolutely no foreign transaction fees. A con of this card for me is that it doesn't offer any sort of 0% APR intro special for balance transfers and purchases. The next credit card I want to talk about is the bankamericard credit card for students. This is the absolute best credit card for students who have to make a really large purchase they can't afford all up front. And here's why. The pros of this con is that there's no annual fees. It also offers a 0% intro APR for balance transfers and for purchases. Additionally, it offers $0 balance transfer fee for the first 60 days. After 60 days, the fee goes to $3. The cons of this card is that there are no rewards, unfortunately, and also it does have a 3% foreign transaction fee. The next credit card I have for you is the Bank of America Cash Rewards Credit Card for students. Yes, I know, I'm back again with another Bank of America card, but what can I say? Bank of America is killing the game when it comes to student credit cards. The pros of this card is there's absolutely no annual fees, and you also get a sign-up bonus of $200 if you spend $1,000 within the first 90 days of opening the account. This card also has some pretty cool rewards, such as 2% cash back on groceries and wholesale clubs, and 3% cash back in a category of your choosing, and also 1% cash back category on all other purchases. Whew, that's a lot of cash back. The cons of this card for me is, while they do offer a 0% intro APR on both balance transfers and on purchases, that's pretty huge. it doesn't offer any sort of intro special for balance transfer fees. It actually charges you $3 for balance transfer fees. Last but not least, my absolute favorite student credit card is, drumroll please, the DeserveEDU Student Chrome credit card. Yes, I just said Chrome. Wait for it.
Why is everything Chrome?
So what I love about this card is it's the best card for cash back. Some pros include, of course, no annual fees, but also it has some really great rewards, such as 2% cash back for up to $1,000 each quarter on groceries and restaurants. You're also able to get 1% cash back on all other purchases. And Discover will match your overall cash back after 1 year. And lastly, Discover has something pretty cool called a good grades reward, where Discover will essentially give you back $20 every single school year if you have a 3.0 GPA or higher. So study hard, friends. The cons for this card for me is, while it does have a 0% intro APR for purchases, it's only for 6 months, and it doesn't have any sort of special for intro APR for balance transfers. But all in all, this card is a really amazing card, and I would definitely recommend it if you're a student who has absolutely no credit history looking to build really great credit. All right, guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, join the family, but also put a comment down below. Which of these cards do you have, if you have any? And also, let me know, what other videos would you like to see? I'm thinking about doing a series on debt where I start off by talking about our favorite student loan debt. All right, guys, till next time.